Look no further than the 2019 Toyota RAV4. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take a closer look at this compact and rugged Toyota RAV4, the distinctive crossover that maximizes safety, comfort, and efficiency. You'll love its driver assistance tech, refined cabin, and infotainment system. With its suspension tuned for agility, this SUV adds confidence and fun to every drive. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: moonroof, keyless entry, heated mirrors, fog lamps, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, alarm, electronic stability control, dual zone AC, rear spoiler. Feel comfortable and confident every time you take the wheel. This RAV4 is ready to go places, and our team is standing by to give you the outstanding service you deserve. Why not stop in for a test drive?